This is a quick look at Claude Science, Anthropic's Claude, purpose-built for scientific research, currently in beta. In about 2 minutes, let's walk through getting set up, from first launch to your research workspace. When you first open Claude Science, it walks you through a short setup. The goal is simple: connect Claude to the tools, databases, and context of your actual research, so it works like a capable lab partner rather than a generic chatbot. First, you connect it to the scientific web, choosing which sources Claude can pull from. PubMed and NIH for literature, Ensembl and NAMAD for genomics, UniProt and the Protein Data Bank for structures, and clinical sources like ClinicalTrials and the FDA. Keep everything on, or narrow it to your field. Next are connectors and skills. Beyond raw databases, Claude Science plugs directly into dozens of research tools, over 40 connectors, plus your GitHub and electronic lab notebook. Skills add specialized abilities. Together, they let Claude actually do the work, not just describe it. Then it asks what you work on. You describe your field, your methods, and your current project in plain language, or attach a paper, a grant, or a lab README. Claude uses this to tailor its suggestions to your specific research. Based on that, it proposes a first task. You can map the recent literature of your subfield, with Claude writing a structured review with citations. You can run a first-pass analysis on a dataset you already have. Or turn a manual workflow into a documented, rerunnable pipeline. And that's it, you land in your workspace. Your research is organized into projects, each tracking sessions and the artifacts Claude produces, like figures, code, and reports. From here, you start a new project and put Claude to work on real science. That's the full setup. In upcoming videos, we'll go deeper, running an actual analysis from raw data to results. Thanks for watching.